what clicked in the second, third, and fourth sets? What changed in the team after losing the first set?
I feel like parang naging wake up call sa amin na we have to be more disciplined with our system. Kahit yung system na nabuo namin, saglit lang. But, basta like, everyone was just determined to work hard and as one, kaya namin nakuha yung mga remaining sets.
How big is this win sa confidence ng team? Kasi alam naman natin, short preparation and then medyo mahaba pa yung tournament.
Very big.